Berries are a member of the notorious Dirty Dozen. The Dirty Dozen are the 12 fruits and vegetables that have the highest incidence of pesticides. So even if you're buying organic, you do want to try and wash these. But don't wash them right away. It's important to only wash them right before you're serving them because any excess moisture will cause them to deteriorate faster. So when you come home from the store, the best thing to do is to look for any mold or squashed berries. You can do that by spreading your berries, whether they're strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries, out on a clean towel and look to make sure that none of them are spoiled, bruised, starting to deteriorate. If there are blemishes, they start to release ethylene gas, which is a ripening agent, and that will cause the deterioration to accelerate. It's true, one rotten apple will spoil the whole barrel. So once you have them looked over, the best thing to do is to put them in a perforated or vented container. The container they came in is perfect for this, but just to make sure, put a piece of clean kitchen towel down in the bottom. That's going to absorb any excess moisture that might come from opening and closing your fridge door or anything else. So that's the best way to store your strawberries, in a vented container with a little piece of kitchen towel at the bottom. Leave the stems on because that will slow down that deterioration. Same thing is true of raspberries and blueberries. Spread them out on a clean kitchen towel and look for any blemishes. Now raspberries only last a couple of days really, so make sure you buy just as much as you need and then keep them fresh. So keep an eye on them and look for anything that has any blemishes. Put that kitchen towel down at the bottom of your container and then go ahead and pile the raspberries back in. Now, don't pile them too high. You'll notice if you get a double container of raspberries, they actually extend it flat because by piling raspberries too high, they actually press down on each other and they can cause them to get squished, and then of course the deterioration starts to accelerate. So raspberries just like this, back in the fridge, no moisture. Same thing goes for blueberries. Now when you do wash them right before serving, that's when you're going to remove stems. That's when you're going to rinse them gently in a container and then pour them out onto that kitchen towel so that they dry nicely. Now, some people recommend soaking your berries in a bowl of water with some vinegar in it. Now, while that will kill anything that's on the outside of your berries, it could give you a little bit of a vinegar taste, and I'm not down with that. So I wash the berries just before serving, just in water, and I take it from there.